Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically make sure first that you are in your WordPress admin panel, and after that we will be needing to add some extension for our WooCommerce store. And basically you can go to the WooCommerce marketplace, and from there you can simply type Facebook, and you will find an extension that would allow you to connect your Facebook marketplace or the Facebook pixel to your WooCommerce. And simply you will need to add this one, and basically this one would allow you to uh, connect your WooCommerce plugin to Facebook. And as you can see, you can connect your existing Facebook pages, Meta Business, and also the Meta Pixel to WooCommerce. So you can add to store instead if you have a store in WooCommerce. And in my case, I'm using the local environment, and basically we can just go to the plugins, and I'm going to add this plugin, and simply we can just click on add new plugin, and from here I'm going to Facebook. So I'm just going to type Facebook again, and from here we are going to wait for the search results, and here I'm just going to click on install now, and as you can see get to the official Facebook for WooCommerce plugin, and as you can see it is developed by Facebook, and there is this I'm just going to click on activate. And now that I'm having Facebook, we can find our Facebook in our marketing. So here in the marketing, we will find Facebook. And all you need to do is to start clicking on get started. And you will need just to connect your marketplace by following the wizard here. And it will take you to your Facebook. And you will need just to click and add your Facebook marketplace and etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.